Welcome to AVIRE's Smart 3D Lift Door Protection System. Within this animation, we will review current 2D and 3D detection systems and the problems they face, and introduce the new Smart 3D detection system from AVIRE. 2D detection is globally used within lift detection systems. This is the use of infrared crossbeams to detect if there is an obstruction within the door path. The detectors are mounted either side of the door and wired directly into the lift door controller to trigger the doors to open. If there is an interruption between the infrared beams, then this will activate the relay, which through the door operator will trigger the doors to open. The typical 3D detection leverages the same technology used within 2D. Infrared beams are reflected out towards the landing area to detect if there is anything within the detection zone. If something is within the 3D detection zone, then the infrared will shine into that zone and reflect to the receiver, therefore causing a trigger to open the door. If the beam is sent and does not reflect off an object within the detection zone, then the 3D detection will not trigger and the doors will close. However, this technology comes with known drawbacks. Shiny or reflective floors often trigger the 3D detection, causing the doors to open. Infrared technology picks up static objects. What this means is that objects placed within the 3D zone, for example a floor cleaner, will continuously trigger the 3D detection and keep the doors open. Cross-traffic within a busy building will also trigger the doors to open. This often means that the doors are triggered open by things that have no intention of entering that lift, therefore causing passenger frustration when waiting for a lift to depart or arrive. Introducing the Smart 3D, AVIRE's innovative solution designed to significantly reduce these common issues. Combining the patented Panachrome Plus light curtains and the new Smart 3D sensor, AVIRE brings the ultimate in 3D protection. The Smart 3D sensor is installed within the lift car, enabling it to travel from floor to floor. The Smart 3D sensor can be installed in existing or new lifts, and is fitted directly onto the lift car header, making it perfect for any type of lift. Smart 3D then combines with the Panachrome Plus infrared technology to create a complete safety detection solution for your lift. Smart 3D detection ensures that the detection zone is always covered, even when the doors are shutting, while also eliminating many of the known issues that come with traditional infrared 3D detection, such as static objects. The intelligent sensor will only detect objects moving towards the entrance of the lift, meaning objects placed in the 3D detection zone or people not looking to enter the lift will not trigger the doors to open. The Smart 3D is also intelligent enough to recognize cross-traffic as people who are not looking to enter the lift, but instead are just moving through the building. The Smart 3D will know to ignore those people and continue to let the lift operate. But if someone were to move towards the lift, then the Smart 3D will recognize this and then open the door. Lastly, Smart 3D will not be affected by shiny or reflective floors, allowing the system to operate as intended without the annoying false triggers that can occur in this type of installation. Smart 3D, the ultimate in 3D protection, making lifts simpler, smarter, and safer.